sweetie. Oh, that's so good. Are you sharing with people on YouTube too? That's so good. Thank you. You gonna share with them too? You're so sweet, Lillian. Hey guys, Billy, Judy behind the camera. There's Lillian, Louise. There's Kelly, and there's Brandon. And we are outside today because it's very pretty, but it's very windy. So we thought we would let Lillian play in the tree, and she's ready to go. You want to let her go, Daddy? There she goes, right up the tree. Yay, Lillian! Lillian's climbing the tree today, guys. Yay, it's a pretty day.
She's excited.
We just washed her hiney, so her little butt's wet right now. Yeah, and she's excited. She wanted to climb the tree. Lillian, you want to tell everybody hello? Or are you too busy playing? Huh? Yeah, Lillian loves climbing trees. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, that's so good. Are you sharing with people on YouTube too? That's so good. Thank you. You gonna share with them too? You're so sweet, Lillian. Yes, you're a sweet little girl. She went and got it. Whoops, can you pick that up for her? She dropped it. She was sharing it with everybody. It's right there. Lillian is our white-faced capuchin monkey, and she is almost 3 years old. And we have been letting her climb trees since we actually used to get in the trees with her when she was just a tiny little girl, and we would climb trees with her on us so we could get her used to trees. And she really likes it when her brother climbs trees with her. You want to climb the tree with your sister, your monkey sister?
I might have to think about it.
He'll have to think about it, he says. A few years back, you'd have been just jumping up there with her automatically. Come back over here, Lillian. There's that girl. Look, there she is. Lillian, is your brother in the tree? She says, I got his hat. Yeah, her brother finally got in the tree with her.
I said, why not?
I bet you can't climb as fast as her, though.
Most definitely, for sure. She can maneuver around the branches faster than me. What you doing? I like to see you try.
There's her little hand hanging on. Now she's just all over the tree today. There she is. Did you hear that? That was a mule.
Yeah, I need to go check on
The last time Kelly wouldn't do any tricks for us, so we're gonna see if she'll do some now. Kelly, sit. Good girl. Shake. Shake. Good girl, sit. Lay. Lay. Roll over. Roll over. Yay, good girl, you did good. Yay, Kelly. Kelly's excited now because she did some tricks for us. Good girl, you did good, baby.
Good girl, Kelly.
Yay. Let's see what else she can do. Kelly. Kelly. Turn around. Turn around. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good girl. Kelly, up. 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 Good girl. You're such a good girl. Love you. Oh, she's a good girl. Good girl, baby. I missed that. Lillian was playing on Brandon's head.
Yeah.
Ooh, she's jumping. She's got her mouth open. She is having fun. Well, everybody, thanks for stopping in today. If this is your first time to visit Lillian's channel, we appreciate you checking it out. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give her a big thumbs up and drop her a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support her channel. And we hope y'all are having an awesome day today. And we will catch y'all next time. Come here. Want to tell everybody bye-bye? Look here. And say bye-bye. Nut with you, and thanks for stopping in. Give everybody kisses. Bye-bye. And give everybody kisses. She says, no, I'm going to keep playing.